View chart. We're going to use the Bitcoin future chart. That's two things that I do look at. The volume side, which is very simple. This is the volume graph. We can clearly see price is, well, the volume price is pushing higher. That's one thing that we're seeing. The volume is dropping. Okay, AD line still okay, but this is showing some weakness in there. We all know volume dictate the trend. So without volume, I would be cautious when it can do. But that's a nice gap through here, this area, which is an attractive area for me to accumulate. So around the $19,000 area would be the area that I would be buying Bitcoin. However, I don't think Bitcoin has a high chance to smash through the previous all-time high, which is around the 68,000. Is it? Was it 60? Yeah, $68,000 area. I think it's very unlikely. If you'd like to know why, very simple. I will share that special crypto trading video on my private group this week. If you want to join, very simple. Drop me a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll add you there. So quick recap this week. I still want to be cautious on the stock indices. S&P need to be staying breakthrough 4,000 for me to consider to be a buyer. Anything below that, again, then I could be a short-term seller. But there is a level that I will sell to, not a long-term. Dollar is all dictated by the indices, so wait for the S&P to give you the indication whether it's bullish or bearish will determine what I'm going to do with dollar. Bitcoin, I want to be a buyer, but it's 19,000. Like I said, I will produce a video to explain where and when I'm going to sell Bitcoin as well, so it won't be breaking the all-time high, I personally think. So stay tuned and I'll do that video. Thanks for watching.